Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the sound settings in Megabonk. To change the sound settings, first open the settings menu and then make sure you're in the audio section. Right here under audio you can customize your sound settings from XP and Gold to UI to ambience to game sounds to music volume to master volume. I will not turn the music volume because of our own music. When you're done customizing your audio settings, simply close the window. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.